Hi everybody, Alina is here. Today I wanted to show you my detailed morning skincare routine. So I had so many questions. I had so many people reaching out and asking, which products do you use in the morning? Which products do you use in the afternoon or in the evening? So I wanted to show you exactly what I use every single morning. It might seem like a lot of steps, but my skin feels really good. I have been using these products for over 6 months. So ever since MONAT rolled out their skincare line, I got the whole lineup. And since then, they also added a few products like a nighttime cream, like Radiance serum, and the 30-second cream. So I wanted to show you all the products that I have right now and all the updated products. So if this is something that you have been curious about, please keep on watching. So I always wash my face in the morning. Obviously, this is important. So the first step I use this Be Gentle cleanser, and it is very luxurious. It is very soft feeling. So if you have a very sensitive skin, I think you will really like it. So in the morning, I just wash my face once, because really you don't need to wash your face twice in the morning. So I've already done this step. I'm not going to demonstrate it right now because I can't. So the second step that I always do is using the Skin Revitalizing Essence. So this is not a toner, this is the essence. Essence and toner are very different. Toners are meant to remove the excess impurities, something that's left over after you washed your face. So basically they're more like cleansing. And then skin essences are different. They are prepping your skin for absorbing all the goodness in your moisturizer, in your serums, in your creams, whatever you're going to put on your face next. They're basically preparing your skin for that step. And this is, right now you will see a lot of brands are switching to essences versus toners. I really love this toner. And basically what you do, you don't need any cotton balls or anything. You just take a little bit on your hand like this, and you basically just warm it in your fingers and you gently press. So gently press on your face and on your décolletage. Décolletage. It's such a French word. So basically this is what I do. And I use it on my lips, so everywhere, until it's completely dry. So this is what I do right after cleansing. And it just absorbs into your skin so fast and your skin feels so amazing. Next step, what I normally do is I use this Radiance Illuminating Serum. So this serum is the morning serum. There are two different serums that MONAT has to offer. So the Age Rewind Nectar is the nighttime. The Radiance is the morning serum. So this serum is packed with vitamin C, and what it's going to do for your skin, it's just going to even out the skin tone. It's going to make your face so much brighter, and it's just almost like adding that glow, that healthy glow to your skin without the actual shiny particles or anything. It just makes sure that your skin is actually glowing from within. So what I normally do, I just apply literally one little pump of it, warm it in my fingers again, and just apply it on my face. So this serum I normally use just in the morning. So obviously on your neck and your décolletage too. So after I do this step, I actually got this really cool, cute, funny looking roller from MONAT. I think it was during the Black Friday, or I don't remember. So I like to use it just to promote blood flow, blood circulation, and kind of lift everything up, because I am, you guys, I'm 34 years old, so I have to take care of my skin, especially, you know, once you hit 30, I don't know what happens to your skin. There's, you know, hormonal acne happening, and it almost just, I don't know, everything's going downhill from there. So I like using this roller. It just makes me feel a little bit better, like I'm actually doing something for my skin. So next step, after I've applied the serum, I always still use the Rejuvenate Oil on my face. So Rejuvenate Oil is just goodness, pure goodness for your face. It has helped me so much to hydrate and nourish my skin. I would say my skin is really dry in winter and kind of combination to normal in summer. So I normally use the light version of Rejuvenate Oil in summer and the original Rejuvenate Oil on my face in winter because my face gets so dry. So what I do with the oil, just take a couple of drops. Really, you just need 1, maybe 2 drops. That's all you need for your entire face. Again, warm it up in your fingers and press it, and just I apply it everywhere, on my lips, on my lashes, everywhere on my. So it just is going to help to nourish and hydrate your skin, and it also has anti-aging properties. So what it is, it just basically mimics the natural sebum that our skin produces anyways. And as we're aging, we tend to lose that sebum. So our skin does not produce as much of it. That's why, you know, our hair starts thinning with time. That's why we get those wrinkles coming in. So we're just going to try and avoid that by using this Rejuvenate Oil, basically by putting that sebum back into our face. And really, this is the only oil I found on the market that is close enough to that natural sebum. And it's basically a mix of all the organic botanical oils. Seriously, if I were to make a video just about Rejuvenate Oil, it will probably be an hour long, because if I were to mention all the benefits and all the uses for it, it's going to take me a really long time. But I use it myself, I use it on my kids, I use it every single day. I have one in every single purse. Everywhere I go, I have this little precious bottle everywhere with me. So the next step, while Rejuvenate Oil is being absorbed, I use this Eye Wonder, Eye Smooth Eye Cream. It is so good. It is amazing for your under eye area, for your crow's feet, for lightening, brightening your under eye dark circles. So it comes with this little rose gold roller, which is my favorite part. So I literally take a little bit, just like you need a tiny little thing of it. So I literally just replaced the original bottle, the original container of the Eye Smooth that I got in September. So it lasted me over 6 months. Good skincare should last you a really long time, and especially if you take good care of it, if you don't contaminate it. So this is why we use spatulas to always get the product out. So you would apply it under your eyes, and I always dab it in first to promote the blood flow in your under eye area, just because the thing is with the under eye area is that the skin there is just so thin that you naturally see the darkness underneath. So a good eye cream is going to really help with that. So then what do you take? You take this little eye roller and just give yourself a really nice massage. And this, I like doing this because it feels so good, because the roller is it's cold, especially if you put it in the fridge. Oh guys, you need this in your life. If you're going to get one thing out of this video, is this roller. Get it somehow. If you're going to get the eye cream, it comes for free every single time. So after this step, I normally apply the moisturizer. So right now at the moment, I'm using the Be Gentle still, because it's still kind of traditional from spring to summer. In winter, this is what I use. In summer, when it gets really hot, I tend to use the Be Balanced one. So MONAT has 2 different moisturizers. The Be Gentle is more for dry to very dry, sensitive skin. Like if you would have rosacea, you would use this one. And then the Be Balanced one is more for normal to combination skin. So if you have acne prone skin, if you have super oily skin, you would use the other one. I tend to use both of them at just different times. So again, packaging is so beautiful in all the creams. MONAT is up on their game with the packaging. And it also comes with a little spatula. So again, important not to contaminate your products. Always scoop them out with a spatula, because it's just going to make sure you're not putting the bacteria into your products. So I just apply it onto my face, rub it in. And always be gentle with your skin, because you only get one face. So be gentle. And on your neck and your décolletage. Just décolletage. Okay, this is it. So basically the last step, or next to the last step, that is what I'm using normally in the mornings. This product you would only use in the morning. So this is called the 30-Second Miracle Eye Cream. And literally you can use it anywhere. So what this little miracle bottle is going to do, it's going to instantly depuff under eyes. It's going to literally shrink all the wrinkles. And as you can see, I'm taking pretty good care of my face. I don't have a ton of wrinkles yet, thank God. But I do have this one stubborn line over here. And a little bit of, sometimes I would wake up with like a little bit puffy eyes. So I always use this product under eyes. And you need just the little tiniest dot of it. So you would apply it under your eyes and wait for 30 seconds. And you're going to try not to mimic much because it's just going to instantly lift everything. And I've seen some, you know, people that are older in their 40s, 50s using this, and you guys, it's almost like a new face. I have this in my professional makeup artistry kit and use it on my clients. It has been working miracles. If you're a makeup artist and you're doing makeup on, you know, mature faces, just anybody who's maybe has puffy eyes, you need this product in your makeup kit because it works instantly within 30 seconds. And obviously I'm mimicking right now, but I just wanted to show you what it does. It's going to also help with the dark circles as well. So this product lasts up to 12 hours. So it's not a long-term fix. I like to use it in junction with the Eye Smooth. So they work really, really well together. The Eye Smooth is more of a long-term solution, and this one is just an instant fix. It works right away, instantly, within 30 seconds. So like I said, today I don't have extremely puffy eyes, so maybe I'm not the perfect example to show you how it works. But on those days when I do wake up with puffy eyes, it just like instantly depuffs them. It's amazing. And like I said, I've seen some crazy results with this on mature skin. So the very last step in my skincare routine in the morning, I use the Lash and Brow Serum. So what it does, it just basically nourishes your lashes, makes sure your eyebrows are thick, and I really like the natural, kind of like a, you know, more thicker, fuller eyebrow look. So I always use this. It has helped me. I had a few bold patches in my eyebrows, so this has literally helped me fill those in. And for lashes, it's always a good idea to keep them, you know, nourished and hydrated. By the way, this product works exactly as well on false eyelashes as on your real lashes. So what it's going to do, it's not going to dissolve the glue if you still have your falsies, fake eyelashes on, not falsies, but I would say eyelash extensions. It would not dissolve the glue, but it would hydrate your natural lashes, so it would actually strengthen them while you still have those false eyelashes on, because you know what happens when you take those off, your natural lashes come off. So if you want an extra boost to your natural lashes, this product is really good. I would say it's very different from Latisse and all the other lash serums. It doesn't have any chemicals in it, so it's naturally based. Like all the MONAT skincare, everything is naturally based, doesn't have any junk in it, doesn't have any drugs or chemicals in them. So you'd probably not notice the lashes that Latisse would give you, but you will definitely get longer, thicker lashes in a natural way. So if you're like vegan, cruelty-free, naturally based products, MONAT is your skincare line. So at the end of this video, I want to give you a little bit of my review after using these products for 6 months. I have definitely noticed that I have a much more even skin tone, you guys. I'm 34 years old, and my skin is definitely not the way it used to be when I was 20. So right now I realize the importance of taking much better, you know, care of my skin and of my face. What I can say, my under eye darkness is not nearly close to what it used to be, and I don't get much more sleep. Right now we're in the middle of pandemic. I don't know when you're watching this video, but it's 2020. It's the spring of 2020 when I'm filming this video, and we're in the middle of coronavirus thing right now. The kids are at home. I have 3 kids, so I don't get much sleep. we're in the middle of homeschooling, so I tend to work really late because I can't really during the day. So yeah, this is what's happening right now. So I definitely need something that's going to make sure I don't have crazy under eyes. And I feel like this cream has been absolutely phenomenal. I don't have any crow's feet, as you can see. Another thing I want to say is my pores. My pores literally shrank so much. They're not as prominent. It's so much easier to put makeup on. I don't need, you know, a silicone-based primer anymore just to fill in those pores. By the way, stay away from silicone-based primers. They look amazing, but they also create that barrier on your skin, which is basically almost like plastic. So don't do it. Another thing that I noticed, much more even skin tone. I tend to have a lot of pigmentation. My skin is on the darker side, although, I mean, it's spring, so you don't see a lot of the tan. But I tend to get these really dark spots that are really, really nasty, and they take forever to get lighter. So I feel like products with vitamin C, especially this C Radiance Serum and the Age Eye Nectar that I use at night, have really made a lot of a difference. Another thing that I want to mention is my hormonal acne. You guys, I've been suffering from hormonal acne for a while now, and if you don't know what it is, they come like in this area, they come all around your neck, like they're just like nasty things, and they hurt. So I have not been having nearly as bad of breakouts. I would get a pimple or two once a month or so, but they would go away. It's nothing like what I used to have. So within these 6 months, fingers crossed, they don't come back. But I've noticed after switching to the skincare line, it has been really, really helping. So far, I'm extremely happy with my results with the skincare line. I would say it is definitely on the higher end luxurious skincare lines, and the products perform amazingly with naturally based ingredients, which is mind-blowing because everything I've been using before, you know, if you want something naturally based, you have to sacrifice the performance. With MONAT, you don't have to sacrifice the performance, but you still get amazing naturally based ingredients that are actually safer for you and for your face and for your skin and for your whole body. So this is what I love about the skincare line. I just love how it makes my face feel. It actually delivers results without all the nasty junk in it. So I'm super happy. I'm excited to see what new products they're going to roll out, and I'm definitely going to keep you updated on what they roll out. So here is my updated morning skincare routine. Hopefully this video was somewhat useful. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll always put down my email, or follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks and some ideas and also some product information. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you later. Bye guys.